Welcome to Ms. Harper's virtual tour of the solar system. First up is the sun, the center of our universe.
So the sun is a star and it's the center of our solar system. It's the most important energy source to Earth and takes up 99% of mass in the solar system. It takes about 8 minutes for light to go from the sun to the Earth, and 1 million Earths could fit inside of the sun. The sun's diameter is 1 million kilometers.
All right, next up is our first of the terrestrial planets.
This is Mercury. Its orbit around the sun is 57,910,000 kilometers. Its actual diameter is 4,879 kilometers. It takes about 88 days to orbit the sun. It has no moons around it. It has little atmosphere to protect it. It has large crater holes. And it has the largest temperature differences between day and night of any of the planets. And there it is.
Next up is Venus, second one in line.
Venus's orbital radius is about 108,200,000 kilometers. The diameter of Venus is 12,100 kilometers. As the hottest planet in the solar system, it has an average temperature of about 870 degrees Fahrenheit. The years at Venus are shorter than the days in Venus because the revolutions are shorter than the rotations.
All right, next up is the planet we all know and love, Earth.
Hello, I am Earth, and my diameter is 12,740 kilometers. Its orbital radius is 149,600,000 kilometers. Earth has water, and it exists in all three states. Axis is tilted, which causes seasonal changes. Its precession is every 26,000 years. The Earth makes a circle on its axis.
All right, next up is the last of the terrestrial planets, Mars.
Mars is known as the red planet because the iron oxide on the surface. Mars once had running water, not running water, but it had water because there's many streams or stream beds where there used to be water. And the north and south poles have ice caps filled with water, or frozen water, and Mars has the largest mountain in the solar system. The orbit radius is 227,900,000 kilometers. The diameter of Mars is 6,779. Mars is known to have 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. This is Mars.
All right, now we move on to our giant gas planets. You may have noticed that the terrestrial planets were fairly small in comparison to the size of the sun, but remember that this is an accurate scale.
Okay, so we have Jupiter. It's the largest planet. It's about 11 times larger than Earth. It has 4 major moons. It has the shortest day because it rotates on its axis in less than 10 hours. It has a fast rotation and flowing atmosphere, which creates a banded appearance. It has 1 large ring, and its diameter is 139,800 kilometers, and its orbit radius is 779 million kilometers.
All right, next up is the second one of our giant gas planets. Between the gas planets, there are more considerable size distance differences than within the terrestrial ones.
Okay. Hi, welcome to Saturn. We are the 6th planet in alignment in the solar system. We also are known for being the 2nd largest planet, and our diameters are 71,229 miles long, and our distance from the sun is 85 AU. We are also known for having the largest rings in the solar system, and we have many moons. Our largest is known as Titan.
Next up, even further along, is the first one of the 2 blue planets that are often confused for one another.
blue because methane gas reflects light back into the atmosphere that's blue. It has dark black rings around it. It's believed that something collided with it, causing the rotation to be, its rotational axis to be horizontal and not vertical, which makes it spin like a ball. The diameter of Uranus is 50,720 kilometers, and its orbital radius is 1,788,000,000 miles.
As we continue through the solar system, we are distancing ourselves further and further from the sun, leading to colder, sub-zero temperatures. Light barely reaches the outermost part of the solar system, another factor that decreases the probability of existing life.
Great. So Neptune's diameter is 30,600 miles wide, and the orbital radius is 2,798,000,000 miles from the sun. Triton is Neptune's largest moon. Triton is also the name of the Roman god Neptune's son. The reason Neptune has more of a bluish color is because of the presence of methane gas. And the Neptune was discovered September 23rd, 1846.
Next up is our last planet. Pluto is quite the distance away from the sun, and by some it may not be considered as an actual planet. However, for the purpose of this virtual tour, we will include it, as it has been formerly included in the solar system.
Oh, hi there. I didn't see you. Sometimes it seems like a lot of people don't see us as a planet. But hey, it doesn't matter. I'm Pluto. This is my friend Sharon and Nixon Hydra. We're made of rock and ice and orbited about 6 billion kilometers from the sun. But we're a little bit smaller than Earth's moon, but it doesn't matter because, we're still about 2,400 kilometers in diameter. So forget them. But at my perihelion, I'm closer to the sun than Neptune is. So I'm actually not always the furthest back. But yeah, thanks.
To compare, the scale of this virtual tour is a distance of 340 feet between the starting distance at the sun to the end, which is at Pluto. Thank you for being with us through this virtual tour for Miss Harper's solar system.